Hi, and welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot and this is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you all about wine, hopefully help you find the wine that you will absolutely love. And if not the wine, actually in preference to that, the wines that you will love. Be they white, rosé, red, light red, deep red, so much to choose from. Hopefully we can help you find one that you will absolutely adore.
Sorry, John, I just love that. Go on.
So, in this particular episode, we're going to have another taste, well, not another taste, the first taste of this particular wine, but we're going to try another Zinfandel. Now, this is becoming one of my favourite wines, and especially I'm choosing it all the time. With steak, when I'm having steak. In fact, I was recently lucky enough to be in America. I went to this really sort of plush steak restaurant, and I said, do you have a Zinfandel? And they said, well, we have one, sir, but perhaps you would, this particular wine called the Prisoner might be better for you. And so I looked at the Zinfandel, which was $50. Yeah.
You're on holiday.
Just about to change my mind and think maybe his suggestion I might go with, and that was $85.
Oh, so how was the Zinfandel?
It was all right, but I wouldn't say it was worth $50.
Really? Did you go for the Zinfandel?
Of course.
I don't know why I'm asking that question. Of course you went for the Zinfandel.
Well, of course I did. That's what I asked for, and he didn't offer me any competitive alternatives, so...
I can see it now. No, you tend to find Zinfandel. He's a very good choice to go with the steak. You do tend to find Malbec as well as a good one. What did they tell you what the grape was for Prisoner?
I was in shock. I couldn't take anything.
Well, I know this to be true.
I had to bite my tongue from saying, how much?
Well, even.
Oh dear. Yes.
Anyway,
yes.
Back to ours, Zinfandel.
Yes, this is not $50 or £50. It is much more reasonable. It's this is purchased from Marks and Spencers, but it is, as the majority of Zinfandel is produced in the United States of America.
Okay.
So, and I think it's California mainly, isn't it, that it's produced?
Yes, yeah, they're big producers. So that's a nice deep colour again, isn't it?
It is. It's almost like a porty colour, isn't it? It's a tawny tinge to it.
Yeah, see, I can see that. Okay. Good.
Let's go.
Let's have a go on the old nose.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh.
Well, that smells lush, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Oh.
That's got That's. I mean, but it's quite obvious with there's the blackcurrant and there's a cherry in there, but there's something I'm just trying to get right at the very end there. Almost like it's not coffee, but it is a coffee. Oh man, what's that?
Could it be cocoa rather than coffee?
It could be. It's just right at the very end.
Should we taste and see if we can find it?
Yeah, because I'll come back to that.
Yeah, come back to that.
Ooh.
That is delicious. Just like cherry. I can taste the cherry more when I bring the air in.
Yeah.
Blackcurrant to begin and then cherry. A lovely aftertaste. Hardly any tannins. I'm not detecting any.
No, for a wine of such power, the tannins are. It's just very slight, well balanced.
And even the mouthfeel is so soft and silky.
Oh, that's a cracking wine.
It is a cracking wine.
And it's even for me, it's got raspberry in there as well. Like, it's combining a lot of flavours. But it has that. It reminds me of those. You know, when you used to get an ice cream.
Oh, you put monkey blood on it.
Yeah, that it was like a raspberry sauce, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Or monkey blood, if that's.
It's a North East expression.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'm learning something. I'm learning, but yeah, it has that towards the finish as well. So, which again takes away from any tannins that it would have had, because the tannins that is a lush wine.
I can't find anything to fault for that. And I can't remember the price, but I think it was 14 pounds, something like that.
That's for that money, every day of the week.
I'll put the correct price below, but yeah, I think it's. But even so, even if it was 20, you know.
No, I'd pay 20 for that. And this would be a really good example of people who wanted to get into the kind of heavier wines, because that is big and full, but the tannins are so soft on it.
Yeah.
Regardless of what you like to drink, I think everybody would like that.
I think they would. It's delicious. It's delicious.
If you handed that out, that would make heads. People would definitely go, oh, you know, what is that?
Yeah.
Very impressive.
That is very impressive. Well, so you can see it on John's right, your left. I will put the price down below. That is lovely wine, though. That's the best wine I've tasted for.
You've just been. Go on.
This year.
This year. I suppose we're really. Oh, yeah. I'll give you that.
Well, certainly, I can't think of one that's better.
This stood out as much as that.
Yeah.
I think this is quite worrying, because that might be the benchmark now for a lot of other.
Yeah, we've had a few episodes where we've actually been a little bit disappointed with the wines, but in the last few we've seemed to have been on an upward trend and been tasting some better ones. But so might as well say, let's get to the score of this one. Where would you put it?
I'm with you, John. One of the best wines I've tasted in our tasting adventures, let's say. I can't think so it's going to have to be one of the best. Even price. Even if we say it is, we'll go in the middle. Say it's 15 quid. If it's 15 quid, even if it's 20 quid, I'm going to go right up and say it's got to be 92 for me. Even at 20 quid price.
Me too. Yeah.
It's just, it ticks all the boxes. What more can you say?
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you'd actually come out and I was thinking 92, and if you'd said 93, I would have thought, yeah, it's worth that.
Yeah. I'd want to score it more, but I want to also believe there are other wines out there
that are better.
Yeah. That's the only reason. That is the only reason I'm not giving that more.
Yeah. You know, if we use this, if we were to use this as a benchmark and use this as 100, then we could maybe add a few more points after 100. But yeah. Assuming that 100 is. And the other thing is that I think you always tend to. It tends to sort of slope off, doesn't it? As you get to that 100, it's like, oh, you know, can I give it one more? It seems much more critical and give it one or two more miles.
Yeah. But I mean, what we've got to remember as well is we're filming this in a dark, cold cellar.
Yeah.
So it's not as if, you know, if that can get your juices going in a dark, cold cellar, you know, can you imagine what you're going to do with that when you're having friends or family around, you're having a good time, and you know. The stress isn't there. That would be just too easy then.
Are you stressed?
Oh no, I've heard about it.
Oh.
No, I don't have that. My life is stress-free. Barring, have you seen these? What?
Oh yeah, I thought you dyed those.
No.
They're natural.
Natural.
All natural.
Oh, natural. Well, now I'm 27, John. It's about, you know.
That's why I give myself a little bit sort of mature. That's why I thin my hair out on the top.
Oh, you did a good job.
Bloody good job.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes. Well, I think, you know, so far, if I was to recommend any wine, certainly I would recommend that one without any hesitation. That is a beautiful wine.
Every day of the week, yeah?
Every day of the week. You heard it here first.
It's not even my wine.
Okay, well, we look forward to perhaps finding an even better wine. We'll keep on trying for you. We'll keep on trying.
Yeah.
Until then, so we'll see you in the next one. Chin chin.
Chin chin.